Top 5 best nuts you must eat if you have diabetes. Lower blood sugar. Have you ever wondered if these tiny, unassuming nuts could make a big impact on managing your diabetes? They might look simple, but each handful is packed with nutrients that can be a game changer for your health. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best nuts that every person with diabetes needs to know about. Not only are these nuts delicious and easy to enjoy, but they're also filled with the kind of nutrients that help control blood sugar, protect your heart, and even reduce the risk of serious complications. These nuts aren't just any snacks. They're loaded with fiber, healthy fats, and unique compounds scientifically proven to be beneficial for diabetes. So, if you're ready to make a simple change with powerful health benefits, stay tuned. Each of these top 5 nuts offers its own special advantages that can make a real difference. 1. Almonds. Almonds are a powerhouse food for people with diabetes, offering a range of benefits that can make a real difference in managing blood sugar levels and supporting heart health. A 2011 study showed that incorporating almonds into the diets of people with type 2 diabetes for just 12 weeks improved blood sugar control and reduced the risk of heart disease. A more recent study, conducted in 2017, confirmed that eating almonds daily for 24 weeks helped participants manage their blood sugar even better and further reduced the risk of heart disease. So what makes almonds so beneficial? The key is their ability to improve cholesterol levels. People with diabetes often have higher levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that contributes to clogged arteries. Almonds help lower LDL cholesterol while raising high-density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol that removes harmful LDL from the blood. This combination not only supports healthy blood sugar levels, but also reduces cardiovascular risks. Beyond cholesterol, almonds are rich in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, all of which play important roles in managing diabetes. The fiber helps slow sugar absorption into the bloodstream, preventing blood sugar spikes. Healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, contribute to heart health and lower cholesterol. Antioxidants in almonds also protect the body from oxidative stress, a common issue in diabetes. Almonds are also known for promoting satiety. Because they're high in fiber and healthy fats, they help you feel full longer, making it easier to manage your weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for managing blood sugar and preventing complications. By swapping processed snacks for almonds, you're not only supporting your blood sugar, but also improving your overall diet. Almonds are also an excellent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. This is especially beneficial for people with diabetes, as vitamin E can help reduce inflammation and support healthy blood vessels. To incorporate almonds into your diet, try adding a small handful, about 23 almonds, into your daily meals or snacks. Whether you eat them on their own, sprinkle them on salads, or blend them into smoothies, almonds are a simple and delicious way to support your diabetes management. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as almonds are calorie-dense. 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are another powerful nut that can greatly benefit people with diabetes, and they might even help reduce the risk of developing the condition in the first place. A study published in BMJ Open Diabetes Research and Care examined how a walnut-rich diet affected people at risk for diabetes. Over 6 months, 112 participants were either given a low-calorie diet or a walnut-rich diet. Surprisingly, even though walnuts are high in calories, they didn't cause any significant weight gain or negatively impact body composition. What they did show was an improvement in cholesterol ratios, particularly increasing good cholesterol, HDL, and reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, which plays a significant role in heart health. What's even more exciting is the connection between walnut consumption and a reduced risk of developing diabetes. In a study tracking 34,121 people, researchers found that individuals who regularly ate walnuts or walnut products had a 50% lower chance of developing diabetes compared to those who did not consume any nuts during the study. This is great news for anyone looking to prevent or manage diabetes. Adding walnuts to your diet can lower your risk significantly. So, why are walnuts so effective? They are loaded with healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and reducing inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a known issue for people with diabetes, as it can contribute to insulin resistance. Walnuts' high omega-3 content can help combat this inflammation, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. Walnuts also offer significant fiber content, which is vital for managing blood sugar. Additionally, walnuts are packed with antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress, a common problem for diabetics. These antioxidants help shield your cells from damage, supporting overall health and disease prevention. But you might be wondering, how can you easily incorporate walnuts into your daily routine? It's simple. You can enjoy walnuts on their own as a snack, sprinkle them on top of salads for a crunchy texture, or add them to your smoothies for a nutritional boost. Just like almonds, walnuts are calorie-dense, so be mindful of portions. A small handful, around 1 ounce, about 14 halves, is enough to reap the benefits without overdoing it. Walnuts can also be incorporated into baking recipes, oatmeal, or yogurt. They add a rich, nutty flavor while delivering valuable nutrients to help support your diabetes management. If you're aiming to improve heart health and reduce the risk of diabetes, making walnuts a regular part of your diet is a smart, delicious, and simple way to enhance your overall well-being. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Also, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. 3. Cashews. Cashews are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can benefit people with diabetes. Studies have shown that they can improve heart health, lower blood pressure, and help regulate cholesterol levels. In a 2018 study, 300 participants with type 2 diabetes were given a diet rich in cashews. After 12 weeks, those who ate cashews had significantly lower blood pressure and higher levels of good cholesterol, HDL cholesterol. Importantly, their blood sugar levels and body weight were not negatively affected, making cashews a great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Cashews are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which help balance cholesterol levels. By maintaining a healthy cholesterol balance, cashews support cardiovascular health and reduce the chances of developing complications like heart disease. Beyond their healthy fats, cashews are also a great source of magnesium. This essential mineral plays a vital role in regulating blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This can help control blood sugar levels, which is crucial for people with diabetes. Cashews can, therefore, play an important role in managing blood sugar while promoting overall health. Cashews also contain antioxidants, including vitamin E, which can help reduce oxidative stress. The antioxidants in cashews can help protect the body from this damage, supporting long-term health. Incorporating cashews into your diet is easy. You can snack on them, add them to salads, or include them in smoothies and yogurt bowls. Cashews can also be used in baking, making them a versatile ingredient in healthy snacks like energy bars or muffins. To avoid consuming too many calories, aim for a small handful of cashews, about 1 ounce or 18 nuts, which provides all the benefits without overloading on calories. In conclusion, cashews are a diabetes-friendly snack that supports heart health, lowers blood pressure, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Their healthy fats, magnesium, and antioxidants make them an excellent addition to a diabetes management plan. With their versatility and great taste, cashews can be easily incorporated into your diet to enjoy their many health benefits. Pistachios. Pistachios are a tasty and nutritious nut that can significantly benefit people with diabetes. Although they are calorie-dense, they are packed with fiber, healthy fats, and essential nutrients, which can help manage blood sugar levels and improve heart health. A 2015 study conducted with participants who had type 2 diabetes revealed some exciting results. Participants who consumed a pistachio-rich diet for 4 weeks showed a much better ratio of good cholesterol, HDL, to bad cholesterol, LDL, compared to the control group. The pistachio group also had significantly lower triglyceride levels, a key indicator of heart health. The key to pistachios' effectiveness lies in their healthy fats, which include monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These types of fats are known for their ability to lower bad cholesterol levels and raise good cholesterol, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is a major concern for those with diabetes, so pistachios help protect your heart by improving your cholesterol profile and supporting better cardiovascular health. But that's not all. Pistachios are also a great source of fiber, which plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. In addition to fiber and healthy fats, pistachios contain antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols. These antioxidants help protect your body from oxidative stress, which can cause inflammation and lead to complications such as nerve damage in diabetics. By reducing oxidative stress, pistachios help safeguard your overall health, making them an excellent addition to your diabetes management plan. If you're wondering how to add pistachios to your diet, it's quite easy. You can enjoy them as a snack on their own, mix them into salads for a crunchy texture, or even add them to smoothies for an extra nutrient boost. Another great idea is to sprinkle chopped pistachios over yogurt or oatmeal for a delicious and heart-healthy breakfast. However, it's important to practice portion control, as pistachios are calorie-dense. A handful of pistachios, about 1 ounce, roughly 49 pistachios, is the perfect serving size to enjoy all the benefits without consuming too many calories. 5. Peanuts. Peanuts are an excellent choice for anyone with diabetes due to their high content of protein and fiber. These two nutrients play a crucial role in blood sugar regulation and overall health. A 2013 study focusing on obese women at risk of developing type 2 diabetes revealed some promising findings about peanuts' impact on diabetes risk. Participants who added peanuts to their diet showed improved blood sugar control and experienced reduced cravings. This combination of benefits can help with weight management, which is an essential aspect of diabetes prevention and management. The key reason peanuts are so beneficial lies in their high fiber and protein content. Fiber is a critical nutrient for blood sugar control because it slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Protein, on the other hand, helps to maintain muscle mass, which can be vital for overall metabolism and blood sugar management. By including peanuts in your diet, you are giving your body the tools it needs to stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. In addition to protein and fiber, peanuts contain healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which support heart health. One of the standout benefits of peanuts is their ability to curb cravings. For people with diabetes, managing food cravings can be challenging, but peanuts can help. Their combination of fiber, protein, and fat helps keep you feeling fuller for longer, preventing overeating and the desire for sugary snacks that can spike blood sugar levels. This is a great tool for weight management, especially if you're looking to reduce belly fat or maintain a healthy weight. Now, you may be wondering how to incorporate peanuts into your daily routine. Luckily, peanuts are versatile and easy to include in a variety of meals. You can snack on a handful of raw or dry roasted peanuts, add them to your salads for a crunchy texture, or spread some peanut butter on whole grain toast for a filling breakfast. If you want to spice things up, try adding peanut butter to smoothies or oatmeal for an extra protein punch. However, it's essential to be mindful of portion sizes, as peanuts are calorie-dense. A serving size of around 1 ounce, about a small handful, is sufficient to reap the health benefits without over-consuming calories. Choose unsweetened, unsalted varieties to keep things healthy and avoid unnecessary added sugars and sodium. Incorporating nuts into your diet can be a game changer for managing diabetes, thanks to their protein, healthy fats, and fiber. They are not only a tasty and versatile snack, but they can also provide long-lasting energy. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as nuts are calorie-dense. It's important to avoid varieties with added salt, as they can raise blood pressure and affect your overall health. Stick with raw or unsalted nuts to get the best benefits. Remember, while nuts are great for managing blood sugar levels and supporting heart health, it's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet, especially if you have diabetes or other health concerns. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite nut to snack on? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more great health tips, and check out the videos in the description for more on diabetes management. Take care of your health, and stay tuned for more tips on living your best life with diabetes.